Like a doll.
So cute she is, na? So beautiful. I love her.
Thank you, Kiranji.
Needs to come back to the show again and again.
Because the show is all about Kiranji. Let me tell you
but
that.
that's not true.
No, but it is. The show would be incomplete without Kiranji. I don't
It'd
think.
be incomplete without you also, Malaika.
That's very sweet. But I feel you are the. I mean, I've spoken out of
it's
turn
okay.
over here, but you are the face. You are the epitome of everything that goes with India's Got Talent.
How kind of you to say that. I must tell you that I enjoy working with Malaika and Karan both very much. We have a great time sitting there, आपस में, and the wonderful talent that comes on the show is what brings me back to it again and again. इतना कमाल का talent आता है और जगह जगह से आता है. It comes from छोटा शहर, गांव, big cities, people wanting to showcase, people wanting to express. I enjoy that very much, and that's what brings me back to it, because I feel I'm a part of a process of giving a platform to people from all walks of life who haven't had the opportunity to express themselves, and they can do it over here. So I think that's why. I think also the fact that these two are the judges. I really enjoy myself
Let
with
me
them.
tell you, हम बहुत घंटों के लिए हम shoot करते हैं. Like it's
Seriously.
not easy. Very very long hours, and then to sit with people who, God forbid, if you don't get along with, मतलब it can be the most tiring.
Or people who are really boring.
It can be very very difficult.
Yes.
But the good thing is हम तीनों की tuning, हम तीनों
बहुत
की
अच्छी है.
touch wood बहुत
Touch
अच्छी
wood.
है, बहुत मजा आता है. And I always say this every time someone asks me. I think in the last 5 years I've learned a lot from watching Kiranji and Karan.
Oh,
Both
kind.
of them have very very distinct personalities, and I have learned a lot from both of them. For one, I can definitely say my Hindi is much better now than it was then.
That's true.
मतलब इतने सारे शब्द जो मैंने सीखा है, I think my vocabulary
मैंने सीखा है, मैंने सीखे हैं नहीं, मैंने सीखा है,
हाँ,
सीखे हैं.
सीखे हैं,
हाँ.
and मेरा vocabulary जो है much better हो चुका है, and I think that is a good
That's
thing.
true.
I have to credit Kiranji for that, and I think both of them, and I think Karan has such an amazing sense of humor, such a wonderful clarity of thought, and I just purely like watching and hearing them. For me, that is a learning
And I
process.
just love it when somebody asks Malaika to dance, because she dances so beautifully कि नजर ही नहीं हटती है. मुझे इतना मजा आता है. I think I'm cheering the most when you're dancing.
And I wait for Kiranji to fire somebody because I swear कि हवा टाइट हो जाती है मुझ पे.
मजा आता है ना.
That's my most favorite when you're firing someone.
I'm firing all the time. Very bad.
Initially when you come and show stunts, you get scared.
Very scared I get. Yes.
I mean, got used to
नहीं जब वो लोग हाइट से कुछ करते हैं ना, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. मुझे लगता है ये गिर ना जाए. It's an instinct. So I myself am scared of heights. So I feel very scared. Suppose this person falls, and I just think of their mother or their father, and they feel किसी का बच्चा है, या you know. And I hate it when they do stupid stunts. कोई सुई चुबा रहा है, कोई ट्यूबलाइट मार रहा है. I want to slap them. Then my favorite line is, इतना ही शौक है खुद को तकलीफ देने का, आर्मी में जाओ,
जाओ भर्ती कर लो.
भर्ती हो जाओ. ये सब नहीं करना.
Malaika and Kiran ma'am both, considering what's happening currently in the industry, and you both have been, people look up to you as individuals, as actors, as a person who
As women.
strongly, as women. So what do you have to say about the movement that is catching up in the industry, and do you think banning a person or scrapping a project completely is the solution?
Malaika, would you like to take it? Or do you want
No,
me to
no,
take it?
go ahead, Kiranji. You've been in the industry long enough.
You see, according to me, it's not just about the industry. It's about the world. ये पूरी दुनिया में हो रहा है. ये सिर्फ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं हो रहा है. ये आपके मीडिया हाउसेस में भी हो रहा है. ये कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेज में भी हो रहा है. ये
Schools में हो रहा है.
एंड कॉलेजेस में हो रहा है. ये गांव में हो रहा है. ये शहरों में हो रहा है. ये सब जगह हो रहा है. एक लॉ है called the Vishakha Guidelines. Vishakha Guidelines are supposed to be there in every institution, whether it is an office, whether it is a industry, whether it is anywhere, in every production house they should be followed. जिसके साथ भी ऐसा होता है, they should complain immediately, and they are supposed to, the institution is supposed to investigate it immediately. So वो होना चाहिए. If you are not following the Vishakha Guidelines, then you are making a mistake. और जो इतने साल वेट करते हैं उनको पहले ही इसके बारे में बोल देना चाहिए ताकि यू स्टेम इट राइट इन द बिगिनिंग और ये आगे ना बढ़े बात. ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो माइंडसेट है ना उसके कारण होता है. व्हाई इज रेप हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड? व्हाई डिड इट हैपन टू निर्भया इन दिल्ली? व्हाट हैपन टू हर? व्हाई आर चिल्ड्रन रेप्ड? व्हाई आर पीपल अबडक्टेड? व्हाई आर देयर ऑनर किलिंग्स? इट्स द सेम माइंडसेट which feels a sense of power
It's
over the
entitlement.
woman,
It's
entitlement
entitlement,
and disrespect for the woman. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप इससे पहले ही इसके बारे में आवाज़ उठाएं, इतना इंतज़ार ना करें, तो वो बेटर होगा सबके लिए. एंड एवरी इंस्टीट्यूशन मस्ट एनफोर्स द विशाखा गाइडलाइंस, क्योंकि देश में लॉज हैं इसके अगेंस्ट. अगर आप उसे एनफोर्स ही नहीं करेंगे, आप उन लोगों की नज़रों में ही नहीं लाएंगे कि ये हो रहा है, तो सोशल मीडिया पे मूवमेंट चलाकर भी
कितना
कितना कर लेंगे आप, मुझे बताइए. बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी छूट जाएंगे. बहुत सारे लोग, कोई झूठ भी बोल सकता है, कोई सच भी बोल सकता है. इट हैज़ टू बी इन्वेस्टिगेटेड वट एवर इट इज़, एंड द विशाखा गाइडलाइंस आर वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट. वट हैपन टू इन द केस ऑफ मिस्टर तरुण तेजपाल सम years ago, that there also the Vishaka
Sting of-
guidelines were not
Implemented.
implemented earlier. So it needs to be implemented right from the beginning, ताकि nobody does it. Nobody takes this liberty, and people know their limits.
And
That's
also,
what
as for someone like, I have a son, so does Kiranji, and I think that is something very important that you have to start at root level. When they're kids, you have to tell them, you have to respect women, you cannot take women for granted, you cannot think that women are like play objects. Because unfortunately, I think that is the mindset. Like we said, there's a sense of entitlement. You have power over women, that you can suppress women, that you can literally, daba ke rakh sakte. That is where it has to change. When they are children, when they are kids, you can't expect at 40, 50 or whatever, ki you have a certain set of, you watch things, you see things, you get influenced. But if you start at the very beginning and tell your child, tell your son that you have to treat women right, you have to treat them with respect, hopefully that will change generations to come.
You rightly mentioned that this is not just restricted to film industry, but everywhere. Mr. Akbar's name has come and everyone is waiting what the government would be doing. What do you think should be the right action taken in this step?
Well, the Vishaka guidelines are very much there. The government has made a committee. Maneka Gandhi has announced that committee with retired judges and all.